Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of TechThursday. To ensure that textiles can be cut to size accurately, they must lie flat on the cutting table without any tension. And if you're wondering how this works, we have Pascal here to explain it to you.
So, the way we do this is with our feeding unit. Right here is our dancer bar, which is then, when the material is feeded onto the table, moved to the front if the material is going too slow. Then it recognizes that the sensor is not active anymore. So after that, the driven roll up here is then going to be faster. So the material will then be ensured to go at the same speed as the conveyor belt is moving. I can show you how that works in live right now.
And does this work for every material?
Yes, this works with nearly every material. You can adjust the speed of the feeder by itself, so it doesn't matter if you have thin or thick material or dense or less dense materials. It nearly works with everything.
Thanks for explaining once again, and see you next time.